Know if I've ever said this before, but my favorite saying is all you gotta do is. Well, that being said, here's my last, or my present, all you gotta do. All I had to do was to take my mantelpiece apart, or take my mantelpiece down and strip the paint and put it back up. So this is now my all you gotta do. I ended up having to take the whole thing apart because all I'm going to do is polyurethane it, so you got to make sure and get all the paint off. Well, you got all these little crevices like this. You see all that? Well, when it was all put together, and that one, and you got all these little fine lines in there that you got to get the paint out of, or it won't look right. You know, it'll show up with that polyurethane. So, and I broke the daggone onlay, so now I got to find another one of them. All I got to do is, so now I've had to take the whole thing apart so I can get all of these cracks that were filled up with the paint. Now, here is the top. This is the top of the mantle. On it. And it came out, I mean, this is sanded. I sanded it all with rough and one sanding of fine. So far, the top looks, I mean, it looks like good wood. I love the way this wood looks. Nice and soft. But, and there's there's the other side that I've already picked all the paint out of. I mean, you could still see where it was, but once I put it all back together. See, here's another couple of pieces that I've already sanded off. And where are those these little things here? See that? Got all the paint out of it. All cleaned up. But now I got to take it outside and sand it because I was sanding up here and it makes a mess. So I have to take it downstairs, take it outside, sand it all down, get all that stuff, and then put it all back together. All I got to do is, and now I'm looking at another, I don't know, week by the time I sand it all down, put it all back together, polyurethane it. I'm looking at another week easy because, you know, I got to work my 8 hours. So there's my all I got to do is. So next time you think all I got to do is, think again.